before going to know about this effect of temperature, we know about the what is diode current equation. Okay na? So current equation means if we are applying the input is the voltage and then we get the current, right? So that's why here the diode are having a some equation of that current. Okay na? So the relation between applied voltage V and current I is exponential and given by an equation called diode current equation, right? So if we are applying the voltage, right, and then we get the current, so is exponential and given by an equation called diode current equation. In objective type also they are asking what is the diode current equation. They are giving I equal to I naught v power e power v by eta vt minus 1. In B they are giving I equal to I naught e power v by eta vt, and next I equal to I naught e power v vt minus 1. They are asking like that. So this is the equation of that the diode current equation. Okay na? So I equal to I naught v power e power v by eta vt minus 1. Okay na? So this is the diode current equation. In this diode current equation, I naught equal to reverse saturation current. Already you know kada what is reverse saturation current. And next V is applied voltage, and next eta equal to 1 for germanium and eta equal to 2 for silicon. Okay na? And next Vt equal to voltage equivalent of temperature. Okay na? So in this equation, what are these values I wrote here. So next here Vt indicates that I is depend upon the temperature. So here Vt is indicate means the I is depending upon the temperature. If you are increase the temperature, what the current is, I mean the current is increased or decreased. Okay na? That is the depend upon the this temperature. Okay na? So here Vt equal to kT. So where k equal to Boltzmann constant. Already you know what is Boltzmann constant. So that the constant is value is 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 3 joules per k. Okay na? So next next this equation is indicate that once bias voltage exceeds it in voltage, forward current increases exponentially. In reverse bias condition, voltage V is considered negative, right? Already I told you that my reverse bias condition, the voltage considered negative. I mean, if you are applying the voltage, we get the current in a negative terminal, right? So next here, so this is the equation of diode equation. So just ఈ diode equation ని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ ఫర్దర్ we are using in our problems. Okay na? And next in this I equal to I naught e power v5 eta vt indicate this curve amma. So this is the curve of that I equal to uh, v e power v by eta vt minus 1. So this curve indicate that I. Okay na? So means ఏంటమ్మా, this is the output of the diode, right? So that's why the I equal to I naught into v power e power v by eta minus 1. Okay na? And next our next topic, effect of temperature. So what is effect of temperature? If we are increase the temperature, what the current is, it means that is increased or decreased. If we are increase the temperature, the what is the potential barrier, the potential barrier is increased or decreased. Okay na? That is the effect of temperature. So see here, PN junction diode can conduct at a given voltage is depend upon the operating temperature, right? So conduct ఎప్పుడు అవుతుందమ్మా, if you are applying the increase the voltage, that means the voltage is depending on the temperature. If you are increase the temperature, the conductive, what is the conductivity of that diode? Okay na? And next, and increased temperature will result in a large number of broken covalent bonds, increasing the large number of minority and majority and magnetic carriers. So here broken covalent bonds, already this what is we are seen in the breakdown voltage of diode, right? So here in the breakdown voltage of mechanism we have two types, avalanche breakdown and as well as the Zener breakdown. So here an increased temperature will result in a large number of broken covalent bonds, means in the avalanche breakdown and the Gina breakdown. Firstly, we are increase the reverse voltage, right? So if we are increase the reverse voltage, the temperature increased, means the electric field is increased. So the temperature increased means the energy is increased. So energy is increased means the atom of the covalent bonds also broken. So means here the covalent bonds are broken, means lot of carriers are presented, means in the lot of carriers means the majority of magnetic charge carriers are increased, right? So that's why increased means the lot of current is flowing, but flowing that diode. So this is the point of that information. In an increased temperature will result in a large number of broken covalent bonds increasing. The large number of majority and magnetic charge carriers are also increased. Okay na? So this amounts to a diode current large than its previous diode current. The above phenomena applies both to forward and reverse current. So here the point is this amount to a diode current larger than its previous diode current means enti, if we are not adding the impurity of that diode, so the previously the diode are having a some amount of current. If we are applying the, or if we are externally added some impurities, so then the diode current will increase. So change, right? So and the above phenomena applies both forward bias and reverse bias, right Karama? So if we are applying both this condition to forward bias and reverse current, so the effect of increased temperature on the characteristics curve of a p-n junction diode as shown in figure, it may be noted that the forward characteristic shifts upwards with the increase in temperature. So this point is indicating this diagram. So here the both are representing is the forward bias condition and reverse bias condition of this effective of temperature. So upwards and downwards means here the representing of the effect of increased temperature on the characteristics curve of p-n junction diode as shown in figure, means it may be noted that the forward characteristic shifts upwards the increase in temperature. So means here the shift upwards to the increase in the temperature. This downwards is increased in the reverse bias condition. Okay na? This is the effective temperature of PA characteristics. Okay, and next on the other hand, the reverse characteristic shifts downwards with the increase in the temperature. So both are we are shown in the figure. This is the forward bias condition and this is the reverse bias condition. Okay na? So next, the temperature has following effects on the diode parameters. So here we have two types of effects on the diode parameters at the temperature. So that the first one is the cut-in voltage decreases as temperature increases. So seen here, the cut-in voltage decreases as temperature increases. Means cut-in voltage means in the potential barrier is decreases as the temperature increases. The diode conducts at smaller voltage at higher temperature. Means here the diode conducts at a smaller voltage at a higher temperature. Means here the, if we are decrease the cut-in voltage, already the cut-in voltage is the silicon is 0.3 volts, right? If here the diode conducts a small voltage at a higher temperature, means here the temperature is increased. That's why the diode conducts at a smaller voltage at a higher temperature. So that point is, so the cut-in voltage we are decreased, the temperature is increased. Means if we are taken the silicon semiconductor diode, so the silicon semiconductor diode of the cut-in voltage is 0.3 voltages, right? That is a small amount of, right? So if we are decrease that a small amount of, means into here the diode conducts at smaller voltage, then if you are decreased that voltage, the temperature is increased, that here the at high temperature. Okay na? So that means the diode conducts at smaller voltage at a higher temperature. Okay na? And next, the reverse saturation current increases as temperature increases. It doubles for every 10 degrees Celsius rise in the temperature. So this is acts in a forward condition. And next here we are taken the reverse saturation current increases as temperature increases. In this reverse condition, if we are increase the reverse saturation current, the current and the temperature is also increases in doubles. ఎలా ఉంటుంది means the temperature is, it doubles for every 10 degrees Celsius rise in temperature. Okay na? So that is the, here we have a equation of this point. Here we are having that equation is I02 equal to I01 2 power delta T by 10. So here delta T equal to T2 minus T1. Okay na. So here I02 equal to reverse saturation current at T2 degree Celsius, and next I01 equal to reverse saturation current at T1 degree Celsius. Okay na. In this 2 point is related to some effects of this temperature. If your cut-in voltage is decreased, then the temperature is increased. Okay na. Means enti the diode conducts at a smaller voltage at a higher temperature. Okay na. And next the reverse saturation current we are increased and the temperature is also increased when it doubles for every 10 degrees Celsius rise in the temperature. That means here we have a small formula, that is I02 equal to I01 2 power delta T by 10. So here delta T equal to T2 minus T1. So here I02 means reverse saturation current at T2 degree Celsius, and next I01 equal to reverse saturation current at T1 degree Celsius. Means ఏంటిదమ్మా T1 T2 means అంటే first of all we are first of the temperature and next second of the temperature. Okay na. And next Vt also increases as temperature increases. The effect of temperature on the diode characteristics are shown below. So Vt also increases as temperature increases means ఏంటమ్మా here the threshold voltage is we are increasing the as the temperature is also increases. The effect of temperature on diode characteristics we are seen in the this diagram. Okay na. So this is the forward and this is the reverse condition. Okay na. So here we are taking the this one we are considering T1 and this one is we are considering T2. This 25 degrees Celsius is T1, this 75 degrees Celsius is the T2. Okay na. And next here we are taken the I01 and I02. Okay na. And next this is the effective temperature on BA characteristics. Okay na. So here we have only 2 points, that what if we are increasing or decreasing the voltages, what happened in the temperature. Okay na. So if you are decrease the cut-in voltage, that is if we are decrease the potential barrier we are decreasing, the temperature is increased. Okay na. And next if we are increase the saturation current in reverse bias, then the temperature is also increased. It doubles every 10 degrees Celsius rise in the temperature. Means here we have some formula that is related to this point, that is I02 equal to I01 2 power delta T by 10. Okay na.